初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
我需要看医生。
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
Is there a walk-in clinic?
Is there a walk-in clinic?
有可以随时就诊的诊所吗？
Is there a walk-in clinic?
Is there a walk-in clinic?
I want to make an appointment.
I want to make an appointment.
我想预约。
I want to make an appointment.
I want to make an appointment.
What time can I come?
What time can I come?
我什么时候可以来？
What time can I come?
What time can I come?
I am here to register.
I am here to register.
我是来登记的。
I am here to register.
I am here to register.
Please fill in this form.
Please fill in this form.
请填写这张表格。
Please fill in this form.
Please fill in this form.
Do you have a health card?
Do you have a health card?
你有健康卡吗？
Do you have a health card?
Do you have a health card?
Take a seat and wait.
Take a seat and wait.
请坐下等待。
Take a seat and wait.
Take a seat and wait.
The doctor will call you.
The doctor will call you.
医生会叫你的。
The doctor will call you.
The doctor will call you.
This is my first visit.
This is my first visit.
这是我第一次来。
This is my first visit.
This is my first visit.
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
我喉咙痛。
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
I feel very tired today.
I feel very tired today.
我今天感觉很累。
I feel very tired today.
I feel very tired today.
I have a bad headache.
I have a bad headache.
我头疼的厉害。
I have a bad headache.
I have a bad headache.
My stomach really hurts.
My stomach really hurts.
我的胃真的很疼。
My stomach really hurts.
My stomach really hurts.
I have a high fever.
I have a high fever.
我发高烧了。
I have a high fever.
I have a high fever.
I feel dizzy sometimes.
I feel dizzy sometimes.
我有时会头晕。
I feel dizzy sometimes.
I feel dizzy sometimes.
I can't stop coughing.
I can't stop coughing.
我咳嗽停不下来。
I can't stop coughing.
I can't stop coughing.
I have pain in my chest.
I have pain in my chest.
我胸口疼。
I have pain in my chest.
I have pain in my chest.
My leg is swollen.
My leg is swollen.
我的腿肿了。
My leg is swollen.
My leg is swollen.
I can't sleep well.
I can't sleep well.
我睡不好。
I can't sleep well.
I can't sleep well.
How long have you felt this?
How long have you felt this?
你有这种感觉多久了？
How long have you felt this?
How long have you felt this?
Let me check your blood pressure.
Let me check your blood pressure.
让我检查一下你的血压。
Let me check your blood pressure.
Let me check your blood pressure.
Please take a deep breath.
Please take a deep breath.
请深呼吸。
Please take a deep breath.
Please take a deep breath.
Does it hurt when I press?
Does it hurt when I press?
我按的时候疼吗？
Does it hurt when I press?
Does it hurt when I press?
Your temperature is normal.
Your temperature is normal.
你的体温正常。
Your temperature is normal.
Your temperature is normal.
I'll order a blood test.
I'll order a blood test.
我会安排一个血液检查。
I'll order a blood test.
I'll order a blood test.
You need to rest more.
You need to rest more.
你需要多休息。
You need to rest more.
You need to rest more.
This is not serious.
This is not serious.
这不严重。
This is not serious.
This is not serious.
Take this medicine daily.
Take this medicine daily.
每天服用这种药。
Take this medicine daily.
Take this medicine daily.
Come back next week.
Come back next week.
下周再来。
Come back next week.
Come back next week.
Go to the pharmacy now.
Go to the pharmacy now.
现在去药房。
Go to the pharmacy now.
Go to the pharmacy now.
This is your prescription.
This is your prescription.
这是你的处方。
This is your prescription.
This is your prescription.
Take one pill each day.
Take one pill each day.
每天服用一片。
Take one pill each day.
Take one pill each day.
Don't eat before taking it.
Don't eat before taking it.
服用前不要吃东西。
Don't eat before taking it.
Don't eat before taking it.
Drink more water, please.
Drink more water, please.
请多喝水。
Drink more water, please.
Drink more water, please.
Any questions about the medicine?
Any questions about the medicine?
关于药物有什么问题吗？
Any questions about the medicine?
Any questions about the medicine?
Call us if it gets worse.
Call us if it gets worse.
如果情况恶化，请打电话给我们。
Call us if it gets worse.
Call us if it gets worse.
You can leave now.
You can leave now.
你现在可以离开了。
You can leave now.
You can leave now.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
谢谢你，医生。
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
Hope you feel better soon.
Hope you feel better soon.
希望你很快好起来。
Hope you feel better soon.
Hope you feel better soon.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。